Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Vance Like Fan here. Finally got in our retail boxes or display boxes, and so in the spirit of opening all the Series 1 flagship products, just to give them a go, we're going to open it today on the channel. So let's get started. So out of this, I mean, there's no guaranteed hits like if it was a hobby box. This is very much retail, just like the Mega, just like the Blasters, just like the hanger boxes. But I really like this little compact box because it does remind me a little bit of a jumbo. And jumbos are so much fun to open. This isn't a jumbo, so it's what they call the display box, or what you'll see in LCSs and different stores like that. So 16 packs, 14 cards per pack is what we're going to get. So let's take a look at this. Look for retail exclusive hollow base card parallels. Look for autographs and relics, but it doesn't say one per box, right? But we also know how that can be because I did open a hobby box and didn't get a hit. So we're going to try this out. We're going to look at these variety packs and see what they are. Really good to be back ripping cards. So this is a combo card. There's Acuna, Reese. So we'll come through here and really not expecting a whole lot in the well, I say that, and here's the first pitch card of Beltray. I don't have that one yet. I think I have Coach Al and maybe Jason Tatum. Have Juju. Don't have Lauren Elena yet, but I like those first pitch cards. I never had one until this year, until Series 1 of 2025. So 2 backwards cards, Freddie Fermin and Logan Hoppe, stars of MLB. So nothing but base there. So we're gonna open this and give it a shot. I got another one hanging out. I think, you know, it's only right at the time to, if you're going to really test out a product, you get 2 of them just in case, not just one. So that's what I've done. There's the Ellie card. Also got some super boxes coming. So just another base pack, stars of MLB, James Wood. There's James Wood and Jonathan India. Still making my set, so not really going to be sleeving up a whole lot right now. That first pitch card's an insert, so we'll absolutely make sure that we sleeve up that card. Some of these, it's been a little while since I've opened cards, at least 10 days, and some of these cards look like it's the first time I'm seeing them. There's McCutcheon from my Pirates. So everybody's week and it's been going pretty well. It's already Friday Eve. I'm so happy. So, you know, put down in the comments, what are you guys' plans for the weekend? It's February 28th. It's the last day of the month, tomorrow. March is here. Before we know it, it's going to be summer, and maybe Series 2 coming out, right? You guys have to put down in the comments when Series 2 comes out, because I have no idea. Oh my gosh. Kyle Finnegan on the auto. I want you guys to know this is the first Stars auto I've gotten. I know there's been Stars Autos in other years, but let's get us a stand. It kind of took me by surprise. I don't know who Kyle Finnegan is. I apologize. It's a beautiful auto. Beautiful auto. I'll take it, right? Babe Ruth on the 90 card. Carlos Correa on the Stars of MLB, Tristan Casas and David Peterson. That's pretty wild, right? So I open up a whole entire hobby box. The first one I open, don't get an auto, and out of a variety box or retail box. I don't know why I keep calling it a variety box, display box. I get an auto. It's pretty awesome. Liking this box already, right? And as they say, it's just dart throwers, right, man? You never really know what you're going to get. There's O'Neal Cruz. I pulled a vintage stock of O'Neal Cruz out of my jumbo that I opened at this. The card sold faster than I don't know what. I should have kept it, but I knew that there was not a whole lot of vintage stocks around. It had a pretty bad corner, and but it sold very fast, just like that HFA of Gunnar Henderson. So what we got here is a rainbow foil of Evan Carter on the Future Stars, Vladdy on the All-Star. Moving right along. No number cards. And again, as you guys know, we've opened a lot of this product now. Number cards they come at a premium. You don't really get a whole lot of those. But again, it's really nice to be ripping this stuff. And there's a greatest hits card of Shohei Ohtani, sorry. Thinking I just saw Shota Imanaga on a combo card, and you know how your brain plays tricks on you. So yeah, don't expect a whole lot of number cards, and that auto there was a great thing, but that was not something that was expected. But we'll take it, even though it's somebody we don't know a whole lot about. There's another combo card that had Shohei on it. Backwards card of Rizzo, and that's going to be one of those glitter foils. Gunner on the Stars, and an upside down Aurelvis Martinez. I'm sure that's not anything, just happenstance. About halfway through. Let me know if you guys have ripped any of this stuff. I don't think I've seen many variety boxes being ripped. I may not be opening a whole lot of product, but I've certainly still watched the shows, watching Jabs and Striker and Neo the One and my guy Vegas Sean. All great channels, guys. Go, and if you haven't seen their material, it's really good stuff. So but no, I continue to watch because I love opening cards, and I love the hobby, and it's just that, you know, other things, you know, is just come before, you know. And I kind of think to myself sometimes, if I don't have a really good game plan, I'm not just going to open things just on whims. And you know, I'm just not that kind of person. Not that my channel looks like it's well thought out. But No, I do. I enjoy it, and I'm glad to be back ripping. Really blessed and thankful for that. So we got Grant McCray and Andrew Benintendi. And some of these names are really hard to see, as you all know. There's Volpe, Jordan Beck, second year. There's Jackson Merrill. Really hope he does well this year. And there's that Say Cheese card. Stars of MLB. Dalton Varsho. Security tab in the back. Judge and Soto. I really have to go and look up some stuff about this Kyle Finnegan. Not really sure at all who that guy is. So if you guys, it's a backwards card, probably another foil of some sort. It is. It's Tyrone Taylor. Stars of MLB, Dylan Cruz, and Carlos Narvaez and Lou Bob. Haven't really been watching any spring training games. I told myself this year that I was going to really pay more attention to baseball. I grew up watching it and was an avid fan and played a lot of fantasy. Oh, there's something back here. Maybe a gold. Nope. That is an HFA, folks. Wow. Francisco Lindor on the home field advantage. It's my second one out of this. Didn't pull one at all last year. Of course, I only open update. Opened up a little bit of Series 1 and just a tiny bit. Series 1 and Series 2. And actually, come to think of it, I think since Series 1 of 2025 has come out, I've opened more Series 1 and Series 2 in battles with Series 1 than I did all of last year. So, sorry, Siri's over there talking to me, I think. So that's the second HFA. I opened up a Gunnar Henderson. I think it was out of a jumbo or a hobby. Not really sure. It might have been the hobby box that did not give me a hit. I think that's what it was. Although an HFA is a hit, I didn't get the relic or an auto. So I got about 5 packs left after this one. Man, this retail box or display box is, man, it's on fire. I gotta say, I opened up a retail box of update several months ago, and when I was opening up a lot of the update Fairbanks on the final card. It was a great little box. I enjoyed it. So I do have one more sitting over there. I'll save that one for a later day because this script may get a little long. There's a Carlton Hall Sandy Koufax sub base, because you can tell if it was pink or red or something like that, the wording would be colored. Haven't pulled any of those. So Lewis Hill and Brooks Lee. Brooks Lee is one of the big rookies, and Lewis Hill won Cy Young last year for American League. There's the Diaz duo right behind each other. If you've opened any of this, you know what I'm talking about. There's Shota. Really hope he has a great year again this year. Jake McCarthy, Will Smith. 3 packs left, folks. And we'll do a quick review. Not much to review. You can see it all sitting up there. I'll tell you what, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Not going to complain. Not going to complain when you can sit in the comfort of your own home and rip cards, and talk baseball, and I think it's pretty cool. So, second to last pack. Appreciate you guys visiting my channel, watching my video. Ooh, that security card there, man, it's kind of beat up. So hope it doesn't affect any of the other cards. Could be Mayo. First card out of the chute. Let's see. Got a backwards card here. That's another one of those glitter foils, or the sand glitter. Yoshinobu. Stars of MLB. Fernando Tatis. Caballero, and Cavadas. And the last pack. So if I haven't said so before, folks, thanks for visiting my channel. If you're of a mind to, appreciate a like and subscribe. Help me grow my channel. I think I'm close to 50 subscribers, and that's wild to me. But just lets me know that people are out there watching, and I appreciate it. So, Zach DeCenzo on the 90 card. Bryce Harper on the Stars of MLB with Hoop Dreams and Yamamoto. So that's our variety box, or retail box, or display box. Bunch of Stars of MLB. Not many 90 cards. I mean, out of 14 packs, you got about 5. Bunch of parallels, glitters, and Call to the Hall, and greatest hits, and different things like that. Grapefruit League, or the training grounds. So our hits. First, we got a Beltre first pitch. It's a very nice card. Don't have that one yet. And then 2 big hits. Case hit Francisco Lindor on the home field advantage. It's a beautiful card. It's my second one. Pulled a gunner earlier in the season of Series 1. And then Kyle Finnegan, the auto, not numbered. Baseball Stars autograph. Really cool. Really cool. So that's our hit. And that's our rip. So I appreciate you guys joining. Look for more videos coming. I'm going to do some hanger battles with Series 1 from last year, Series 1 this year. And I got to get a couple more blaster boxes to do my blaster battle. And that'll finish out my Series 1 from last year. So that's kind of what I'm looking to do. But I also got a super box. My super boxes came in today. I've had those retail boxes for a little while now. Maybe about 4 or 5 days. And so still got some Series 1 product I'm going to rip. I got a couple hobby boxes still, megas. Got hangers as well. So look for those. And until the next time, Fan Select, Fan Out.